Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door gasket in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door gasket. The door gasket provides an airtight seal, preventing warm air from getting inside the compartment. If you are experiencing higher than normal temperature, or the condensation is building up on the interior, check the gasket and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. Alright, now we're going to remove the old gasket. I'm going to peel one random spot and I'm going to insert the flat blade screwdriver into that seam, and I'm going to start peeling it out. And from there, I will continue manually. Alright, so I'm going to continue pulling it out. And you need to go on your knees and remove it from the bottom. This is the old refrigerator door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so let's try the new gasket under the door, see if it's going to fit. Yep, that's a good gasket. So before installing the gasket, make sure that the groove is clean. If it's not clean, wash it with the soapy sponge and warm water. Make sure it's dry before installing the gasket. So the gasket itself has at the back this ridge all around the gasket, which goes into this seam. We're going to start installing the gasket from the top corners. Align it, and that ridge goes into the corner. Push it in using your thumbs, and then move to this side. Same thing. Push it in. You will feel how the ridge goes into this groove. No rush. Slowly and firmly. Then we're gonna do one side and about a foot long. Yeah, I'm gonna do this side, same thing. Right now I'm going to go down here and I'm gonna put one of the corners in the same way, and on this side, and now I'm gonna complete the bottom. And now we can run the sides. So I'm going to close the door and open the freezer door so we can check the gasket. As you can see, it's pretty much touching in every single spot. So it's a tight seal on the top. If not, you can run your finger in between the gaskets here. And because we have a magnet here, and on the outside the gasket, it should stick to the cabinet. Then we're going to do the same thing on the side. Okay, so let's check the side, and you can see everything is very nice. It's touching good, but if it's not, you can repeat the same procedure. You can place your finger and run it down in the middle of the gasket, so make sure that it's attached to the cabinet. Then after we're done with the top, this side, I recommend you to do the same thing exactly with the bottom and the opposite side of the door gasket. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.